In this video, I'll guide you how to use self-test mode on your Panasonic Amazon Fire TV. For activate, you need to press the home button on your TV. Scroll down your television screen and select settings. Select device and software option. After that, you need to select TV self-test option. Now self-test screen appear on your smart TV. If the picture and audio issue you are experiencing don't appear during the self-test, the problem likely is not with your TV. It may be related to your setting or external device. So you can restart your TV and troubleshoot. And thank you.